What's poppin' YouTube? JD here with yet another banger of a video, and this time guys, we ain't playing around. We got some serious heat to talk about. And in my hands right here, I have the off-white Nike Dunk in this UNLV colorway. What's up guys? If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD, and if you enjoy honest sneaker reviews, resale predictions, how to style sneakers, basically all that good sneaker content, then make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. And if you enjoyed this particular video, make sure you smash that like button. And of course guys, follow your boy on IG. That is the easiest way to contact me, and the handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Make sure you follow your boy. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So I copped this from Sneakers and Stuff. My girlfriend hit on the raffle there, so shout out to my girlfriend for winning me these shoes. And also major shout out to Sneakers and Stuff. Y'all have really been blessing me with raffle wins, especially this month. Shout out Sneakers and Stuff. So 2019, Nike has definitely tried to bring back the Dunk in full force. There have been a lot of really dope collabs with the Nike Dunk. We had the Supreme Nike Dunk collab. We had the Para collab on the Dunk, as well as the SB Blazer. Nike has also been retroing some of the more popular Dunk colorways. Most recently, it was this one right here, the Viotech Nike Dunks, one of my favorite pickups period this year. I did drop a review of this pair as well. I will leave a link to it up here. And finally, they ended off the year with perhaps one of the most hyped Dunks to ever release, and definitely one of the most hyped Dunks to release this decade. And that is this right here, the Off-White Nike Dunk. As you guys know, this shoe released with two other colorways as well. There was a pine green colorway as well as a Michigan colorway. I only managed to win the raffle for these, but you know what? After seeing all three pairs in hand, I gotta say, I think I lucked out, and I think I actually got the best colorway and probably even the most wearable colorway, so I'm pretty happy with this. So all of the three colorways in this pack were in fact retros of very popular Nike Dunks from the past. In the year 2016, there was a Be True campaign, Be True to Your School campaign by Nike, where the Michigan pair released as well as this UNLV pair, but both of them were in high top versions. And of course, the green pair was the Nike Dunk High Gorge Green, which released in the year 2012, I believe. So all three of these colorways were in fact high tops in the beginning, but this time they're released in a low version. For my non-American viewers, if you guys are wondering what exactly is UNLV, it stands for the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and the basketball team of that school, I believe they're called the Rebels. This is the school colors, basically the red and the gray. So that's where the inspiration for this colorway comes from. So let's get into the shoes, beginning with this ridiculously dope box. So we have an all over chrome box, and I love it. I can see my reflection in the box. This is such a sick box, guys. Man, Nike, y'all killed it with the box. Like, I love this shoe as soon as I saw the box. I didn't know it was gonna come in a chrome box. That was surprising to me, but this box is hella dope. Getting into the shoe itself, so this Dunk Low is actually not so different from a regular Dunk Low. It's actually, in my opinion, almost identical, save for the off-white features that you normally see on off-white shoes. And of course, there's this extra lacing system that you see on either side of the shoe. Some of the familiar off-white touches that you can see on the shoe. So on the medial side, we have that familiar off-white stamp branding. Also on the shoelaces, we once again have the word shoelaces written in quotation marks, and that's written on both of the laces, the red as well as this, I guess it's like a bright red or like an orange. I'm not really sure what to call this color. I'm gonna call it an orange. Also, you have that hang tie that you see on all the off-white sneakers. This time it's done in a white glossy finish. Also, the tongue of the sneaker has that exposed foam, which is also something we see with pretty much every off-white pair. The insole of the sneaker is done in this golden yellow color, and you have what looks like a very skinny swoosh, a diet swoosh, if you will, on the insole of the sneaker. The most notable feature of the shoe, of course, is this lacing system that you see across the top of it. So on either side of the sneaker, you see 4 extra loops, and this rope lace, this orange rope lace goes through the loops on both sides. So it creates this kind of zigzag pattern across the top of the shoe. What's different about this Off-White Nike collab compared to previous collabs is that So far, the Off-White formula has been take an existing Nike sneaker, basically turn it inside out, deconstruct it, add your Off-White touches to it, and there you go, that's your collab. But this time, Virgil seems to have not done that. He seems to have almost not touched the original shoe at all, and instead just put things on top of it, and in this case just put this rope lace on top of it. He didn't deconstruct it. It basically looks like a normal Dunk just with this extra lacing on it. If I compare this to other Nike Off-White sneakers, you can see a bunch of them back here on my sneaker wall. I just don't find this particular pair all that impressive, because literally guys, I mean, this isn't even an OG colorway. He took existing colorways and he just cut the top off and he put these extra laces on it, and that's it. The shoe is now selling for 5 times what the retail price was. That's all it took. And you know what I mean? Like, it's just not that impressive. It doesn't seem like a lot of effort went into this shoe, and it does look sick, but I think that has a lot to do with the fact that Dunks look good in general, you know? Like, I don't think this particular lacing system is what makes the shoe pop. I just think the silhouette of the shoe is sick, but that says more about Dunks rather than this Virgil Nike Off-White collab. I was lucky enough to get this for retail. I don't think I would have paid resale for this shoe, just because when I compare it to other Off-White collabs, this one simply isn't that impressive to me. That's just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? If you guys love this shoe, you hate this shoe, let me know down in the comments. I love to hear your feedback. But if I ignore all that, if I ignore the fact that there are other Off-White sneakers, if I ignore the fact that this is not an OG colorway, so if I'm just looking at this shoe in my hand in front of me, yeah, I mean, the colorway is a banger. The colorway looks sick. I love the Dunk. This is, I mean, just if I ignore everything else, I just look at the shoe, it's a sick shoe and it looks dope on feet as well. I do have another pair of Nike Dunks though that I think look even better than these, and that is this pair right here. This is the St. John's Nike Dunk High. I do think this colorway is a bit cleaner than this. However, I mean, the gray and the red too, they look really, really sick together. So yeah, just on the colorway alone, on the silhouette, and everything else with the shoe, I do like it. I'm just not gonna like compare it to other Off-White sneakers. I'm just gonna consider the shoe by itself, and if I do that, it's a pretty dope shoe. When it comes to styling this sneaker, so the Nike Dunk, guys, it's a skater shoe. So this shoe is meant to be, I believe, worn with skater fit type of pants. So like baggier pants, looser fitting pants, I think looks sick with the Nike Dunks. Here in this look, I'm wearing just a pair of Levi's 501s. So they're not like baggy, but they're pretty like loose fitting, I would say. I think they look sick with these shoes, and on top, just to match with the red theme, I have this kind of red and blue jacket going with this gray hoodie to go with the gray of the shoe. The quality on this sneaker though does feel very nice. Like the leather feels much nicer than a pair of regular $100 Dunks, so there's definitely that. When it comes to sizing, just go true to size. True to size fit me absolutely perfectly. So let's talk about resale. I know a lot of you guys cop this sneaker just to resell them, so you want to know, should I sell them? Should I hold them? What should I do? So Off-White sneakers, especially the hyped ones, are generally pretty safe investments. There's always a lot of demand for them, and I think that is the same with these. I do think, as with the other Off-White sneakers, these are definitely going to go up in price over time. I don't suggest selling it now. Also because this is the first ever collab Off-White has done with the Nike SB Dunk, and so the first time you've ever seen that on this silhouette. So even if further colorways come out in the future, these OG3 pairs are gonna go up in value even more if other colorways come out. So I think it's a very safe hold in my opinion. So I would definitely hold on to these if you manage to cop them. But however, if you guys copped like multiple pairs, just to be safe, I would probably sell like half of the pairs right now because prices are very high, and I'll keep the other half as an investment. So that's pretty much my review, guys. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite of the 3 colorways, and what did you guys think of this whole collab in general. Let me know down below, and of course hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, and of course subscribe for more content. I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos to end the year, and 2020 is going to be huge for this channel, so make sure you're subscribed to get all of that good stuff. And of course, Follow your boy on IG. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. That is the easiest way to contact me if you want to get in touch. So make sure you follow your boy. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Until next time, guys. Peace.